It's our new gardening bed. What do you say, guys? Do you want to do some planting?
Yeah! George, plant!
Alrighty then. We'll be planting some carrots. Wow! Look at all these colorful seeds.
Ooh, can I put one in the ground?
Sure, go ahead.
I'll take this yellow one. Grow, little carrot, grow.
Good job, Peppa. Do you want to try planting one, George?
George, plant red one. There. Now, George, eat carrot.
I know you're excited, George, but first we gotta plant the rest of these. Then we need to water them and wait. Let's plant some in here, one in here, one here, a few here and here, and everywhere. Oops, we're spilling seeds everywhere. Our next step is very important and we cannot forget it, and that's to water our seeds. Let's water a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit everywhere. And now we wait. All right, it looks like all of our hard work paid off. We got a bunch of carrots, but not only that, it looks like we have some worms too. Let's go and pick them out so they don't eat our carrots. Once we pick them out, we're going to place them in these cups. We have an orange cup, yellow cup, and a red cup. Now let's use this tool to pick out all of our worms. Here we have a yellow worm. Should we place the yellow worm in the orange cup, yellow cup, or red cup? Yellow! On to our next worm. Here is an orange worm. Should we place the orange worm in the red cup or the orange cup? Orange! Wow, look, there's another worm here. It's a red worm. Let's place it in the red cup. Let's get this worm next. It's a yellow worm. Now where do we put the yellow worm? In the red, yellow, or orange cup? Yellow! On to our next worm. It's another red worm. Let's place the red worm in the red cup. Good job picking out all the worms with me.
I think you missed one right here. See? Right here. There's an orange worm.
You're right, Peppa. We missed one worm. Good catch. It's an orange worm. Now, where to place our orange worm? The orange cup. Good job. Now our worm picking is all complete. Let's get you a new home, worms. Our carrots are fully grown and ready to be harvested. Let's harvest them and collect them in this orange bowl. Here's our first carrot, and it's a red carrot.
George, pick carrot.
Okay, George, you can pick the next one.
George wants this one.
George picked a yellow carrot. Good job, George.
I'll pick this one.
Peppa picked a blue carrot. Good job, Peppa. Next carrot we're gonna pick is gonna be this one, and it's an orange carrot. Now let's get this one next. It's another red carrot. Whoa, look at this carrot. It's a yellow carrot. This carrot looks super crunchy and delicious. And it's an orange carrot. Our last carrot is this one, and it's a blue carrot. Wow, look at all the carrots we picked. Here are 2 red carrots. Which carrot is bigger and which one is smaller? This is the bigger carrot. Good job. Take a look at these blue carrots. Which carrot is smaller? This one. That's right. This carrot is smaller than this one. Now take a look at these orange carrots. Which carrot is longer? This carrot is longer, and this carrot is shorter. And look at these yellow carrots now. Which carrot is shorter? This is the shorter carrot. Good job! Now that our carrot harvest is complete, what do you say we plant something new? like these delicious and super colorful radishes. Now let's get these seeds into the ground. Wow, look at these colorful seeds. I bet the radishes are gonna be colorful too. Let's place some here, a few here, and a couple more here. Now do you remember what step comes next?
Watering?
That's right, Peppa. Watering is the next step. Let's make sure we water everywhere. That should do it. Now for the most difficult part, waiting. All right, it looks like our radishes are ready to be harvested. And the good thing now is there's no worms this time. That means we can get straight into it. But we're gonna need something to collect all of these radishes in.
Oh, we can use these cups.
That's a good idea, Peppa. Here we have a yellow cup, blue cup, red cup, and an orange cup. Now let's pick our first radish. I wonder what color this radish is gonna be. It's a yellow radish. Now what cup does the yellow radish belong in? Orange, red, blue, or yellow? Yellow! It's a red radish. Does it belong in the orange cup? Red cup? Yes, red. Let's see what color we get next. It's another red radish. Should we place it in the blue cup? Red cup? Red! I wonder what color is this one? It's another yellow one. Should we place it in the orange, red, blue, or yellow? Yellow! Let's see what color this one is. It's a blue radish. Does it go in the orange cup, red cup, blue cup? Yes, that's right, blue. Red. Now, where does this one go? Yes, red cup. Orange, our first orange radish. Goes in the orange cup, that's right. Blue. Yes, blue cup. Yellow. Yellow. Red. Red. Orange. Another orange. Blue. Let's pick two radishes at the same time. Orange, blue. Look at that, we got two yellow ones. 1, 2, 3 left. Let's pick them all. Blue, red, orange. Wow, look at all the produce we harvested today. Good job, everybody. Now make sure you click that like button and come back for some more videos. Bye-bye.